Now we have the North Face jacket with the fancy print, the mountain print. This is the tag, size large. It says size large in North Face. Let me unzip this one. Boom, I unzip it. We got the North Face with the size large. This is the stitching, as you can see. Got the little coat hook. We have a tag over here. And we have another wash tag right here. Those are all the tags on the North Face. We got the pockets. And that's pretty much it. We got the sizable and stretch, like adjustable sleeves. And yeah, that's the North Face print. You got the 700 on the sleeve, and boom. This jacket was also pretty light too. Some of the puff is missing, like it's not as puffy down here. This sleeve is actually puffy, that's why I just mentioned this, but yeah. It's light. This jacket is lightweight, and for a size large, it runs somewhat small. Like it looks like it runs small, but it actually turns out to fit once people put it on. I've had 3 people try it on, and they all said it fit, and I thought that it wasn't gonna fit, but it actually did. So that was good news to hear. Canada Gooses fit perfect, fit true to size. And yeah, there's only one person I haven't been able to sell to. He wears a 2X in every other, like in all his clothing as far as tops and jackets and stuff like that. So he told me to get him a 2X. I ordered him a 2X and it didn't fit. I ordered him a 3X and it didn't fit as well, but you all know how Chinese sizing is, so that could be a small issue. But as far as me, I wear a large or a medium, and the size large fits perfect for me. So the extra large fit me as well too though, so that's how that works for the Canada Gooses. I love that jacket, y'all. That jacket is perfect. It keeps you hella warm. It's waterproof. But then we got the Montclairs. I haven't tried these on, and no one in general has tried these on, so I don't know the fitting on them. Once someone does try it on, I will let you all know how that went and the sizing on it, and we'll go from there. But that's pretty much it for today's video, you all. Like I said, I got a women's Canada Goose on the way, and I'm about to have like 5 to 7 men's Canada Gooses on the way. The women's one is long and it has the fur. I might order like 2 or 3 more because people need them. But yeah, let me get this in another thumbnail type shit. We active right now, we grinding. Shit, it's just still not good. Alright, bet. North Face Montclair Canada Gooses. Slight stock right now, slight haul, unboxing, review. Y'all know we lit. Yeah, I'm gonna keep updating y'all on products coming in and products that I sell. And I'm gonna start showing y'all some of the cash flow too. Just so y'all can stay motivated and watch me grind literally piece by piece. I don't really film meetups because I'll be so busy, like, and so on the move and like in the moment. But I will get back to recording POV drives and meetups of me going to sell the items. But that's it for today's video, you all. Like I said earlier, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, stay engaged. When I say comment, actually comment. If you need vendors, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is in the channel description. Stay locked in. We posting daily. And we post shorts daily too. The channel about to grow. It's about to be big, astronomical in 2025. And that's it, y'all. That's it. Shit. It's your boy Clout. I'm out. What's good, YouTube? We back at it. It's Clout with another video for y'all. I'm probably just gonna throw this clip at the end of the other clip, or make a short or another long form, quick little 3-minute video about the trip I just made to sell. So previously in this video, I had 3 more jackets, all black size large, and I stated that I had to go sell 4 jackets for $800. They didn't buy this white one right here, brand new with tags and bag, size large, because they need me to order a size medium. I complained to them that the jacket runs kind of small and the dude who needs a medium probably needs a large. But the dude kept complaining he needs medium, and he wasn't there to try it on. So they didn't end up buying this one for that guy to flip it to him. So I gotta order another one, a white one size medium, and I gotta order a black and extra large. I gotta add that to my bucket list, to what I had already had on the way and what I was gonna order. So yeah, this is the 2 Canada Gooses. This one's brand new. This is the one that I've been wearing at the top, and then this one's brand new. We got Montclair's black and blue, and then we got North Faces in that mountain colorway. Here's the cash from the meetup. Told y'all I was about to start showing y'all the cash flow. Shit. I'm missing one. So I got 600 for 3 jackets, 200 a piece. And it was supposed to be 700 for those 3 jackets originally, but I don't know, they were just like hesitant on spending that much. So I just told them 200, an extra 200 for the last one, because they didn't need the 3rd large. But they need a white one in medium and then a black and extra large. So I'm about to put these orders in now, and I'm gonna do a screen recording video on me ordering that stuff and letting you know how that goes. But yeah, like I said, this cash flow for these jackets has been easy, bro. This shit is good profit. Like,